I am chasing a tornado right now as we speak. This is the live tornado. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This just went over my house.
Shake, and all of a sudden they were trying to break us out, and everyone in the two bathrooms were unscathed. Me and my crew they were absolutely wonderful, getting everyone inside. They were pretty awesome.
Just sitting there, and my little bitty phone, everybody makes fun of it, said, "Take cover." I went to the first bathroom I could find, because there's two, and I went in it, closed the door, and everything came on me.
And I looked out my front window and I looked to the west and I could see rotation and debris or birds or something up in the sky. So I'm trying to get my dogs in the bathroom. I get one dog in, the other one go out. They were scared to death. They're screaming. So by the time I got them in the bathroom, it was over.
Multiple lightning, sky got black, wind came through like a train, and everything went black.
First time been through a tornado. Been through a flood, but
I can't take
tornado
this.
I've been through.
I live by myself. I got nothing, man.